will learn about first 10 wild animals. Tiger, tiger, Tiger. Elephant, elephant, Elephant. Deer, deer, Deer. Giraffe, giraffe, Giraffe. Lion, lion, Lion. Monkey, monkey, Monkey. Wolf, wolf, Wolf. Kangaroo, kangaroo, Kangaroo. Cheetah, Cheetah. Cheetah. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.